friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see how to introduce yourself in German. So we'll take two cases of different people and we'll see how they introduce themselves. So you will have more idea with more sentences and with more situations that how to introduce yourself. So we'll start with the video. First, we'll take a case of Pranav, who is 25 years old, young boy, and how he is introducing himself that we are going to see now. So now, obviously, first he will tell his name, right? So there are different ways of telling your name in German, in a formal way or informal way. There are different ways. Telling the name is same, but with different sentences or different forms or ways. So first he will say, Ich heiße Pranav, meaning I am called as Pranav. Heiße is actually called as. So this is a way of telling your name in German. And usually in formal manner, formal way, you have to use this way of telling your name. Ich heiße so and so. In this case, it is Pranav. So you will say Ich heiße Pranav. Or other type of telling your name is Ich bin Pranav, meaning I am Pranav. So like this is like informal way of telling your name. Then my Nama is Pranav. This is also one way of telling your name. So these are the three different types of telling your names, different ways. You are telling the same thing but in a different manner. Then it will be Ich komme aus Indien. What he is telling? I come from India. Ich komme aus India. Indian is India and komme is to come from. Ich komme aus Indien. Ich wohne in New Delhi. Okay, this means I live or stay in New Delhi. Okay, he is coming from India, but where he is staying? He is staying in New Delhi. So it is like New Delhi. New is new. So ich komme aus Indien und is and ich wohne in New Delhi, meaning I stay in New Delhi. That's what Pranav is telling. Ich bin student, meaning I am a student. He is telling that I am a student. Ich bin student. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt, meaning I am 25 years old. Okay, 25 is 25. So there is a separate video on my channel called German numbers and their pronunciations. So you can go through it. I will give a link in this video. So you can go through it. So you will get to know what are the German numbers and their pronunciations. Mein hobby ist lesen. So next sentence he is telling about himself is, my hobby is to read. Hobby is hobby. Only thing is pronunciation is hobby in German, but the spelling is same. So it is like my hobby is to read. Lesen is to read. It's a verb. Again, there is a separate video on my channel called hobbies. Hobbies. So that link also I will provide in this video. You can go through it. Then the next sentence will be, meine Muttersprache ist Hindi, meaning my mother tongue is Hindi. Muttersprache is mother tongue. Actually, Mutter is mother. Sprache is, the literal meaning is language. So it is like my mother tongue. If you take in English, simple English, it will be my mother tongue is Hindi. Meine Muttersprache ist Hindi. Ich bin ledish. Ledish meaning single. So what he is telling that I am single. He is not married. So it is like Ich bin ledish. So this is all about Pranav. right? This is the basic introduction of pronoun. Now we'll take Udita's case, right? Udita is a lady who is 30 years old. Okay, Rise Ishara. Now she is telling about herself. So the initial introduction will be the same. Okay, Ish Haisa Udita, or Ish bin Udita, or mein Name ist Udita. All are same, like pronouns introduction. Okay, she is telling her name. Now the next will be Ich bin 30 Jahre alt, meaning I am 30 years old. Okay, ich bin, I am. 30 is 30. Jahre is years. And alt is old. So altogether it becomes I am 30 years old. Now we'll take different situations of with Udita. Now if she is single, she will say Ich bin ledish, like pronoun. I am single. If she is married, she will tell Ich bin verheiratet. Verheiratet meaning married. Okay. If she is not married, then she will say Ich bin nicht verheiratet, meaning I am not married. Okay. Again, different situations about work will take. If she is working, she will say Ich arbeitet, meaning I am working. Ich arbeitet. If she is working with some company, she will tell Ich arbeitet by so and so firma, you will say. For company, it will be firma. Ich bin arbeitet by so and so firma. Okay, this is different condition. Arbeitet or not arbeitet. Now we'll take, if she is not working, then she will tell Ich bin nicht arbeitet, meaning I am not working. Now, if she is married and she has a child, then she will say Ich habe ein Kind, meaning I have a child. I have a child. Okay. So these are the different situations about Udita. And if needful, in both the cases, Pranav or Udita, if suppose they are going for a job interview, let's say, or for any registration for some official work, and if they want to tell their address and phone number, so it will be meine Adresse ist so and so for both the cases, or meine telephone number is so and so, meaning my address is so and my telephone number is so and so for both the cases if required. Okay. So this is all about Pranav and Udita's introduction. So now you will get to know more about introducing yourself. So this is like basic introduction. We can add more sentences if we want. So this is exercise for you. You can add more sentences by yourself. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.